Great! We've made excellent progress so far. By now, you know a bit more about Python's syntax, about if, elif, and else statements, and about functions. In this section, we'll cover an important topic for Python programming: lists. So, what is a list? A list is a type of sequence of data points such as floats, integers, or strings. Therefore, understanding lists relates to your ability to organize data, a crucial skill in today's labor market. Moreover, you'll see Python creates a friendly environment for dealing with lists. Assume you wanted to create a list called participants that contains the names of John, Leela, Gregory, and Kate. Follow the rules about creating a generic variable, but be careful about two things. Place the strings within square brackets and make sure you use quotation marks. Precisely. These brackets indicate the elements inside form a list and not some other type of a sequence. Good. We see the participants list has already been prepared. Am I going to be able to extract the name of one member of the group? Of course I can. Do you remember how we extracted the letter D from Friday? Using brackets after the word Friday. The logic here is the same. I'll write the name of the list, and in brackets, I'll indicate the position corresponding to the name I am interested in. It is important that I don't use parentheses or braces. For instance, let me extract the name of Leela. As programmers, we start counting from 0. So, 0, 1. 1 should be the correct position. And it is. For the sake of argument, in such a situation, a computer scientist might say you have accessed the list by indexing the value 1. This means you have extracted the second of the elements in this list variable. Okay, nice. In addition, there is a way to get to the last element from your list. Start counting from the end towards the beginning. Then, you'd need the minus sign before the digit, and don't fall in the trap of thinking we begin enumerating from 0 again. To obtain Kate, we have to write -1. To obtain Gregory, we need -2. Okay, now let's study a key feature of lists: replacing or deleting items in a list. Let's assume Kate had to quit for some reason, but Maria could replace her. Here's what we can do. Across the value at position number 3, which currently refers to Kate, and assign it with the string Maria. Let's check if our intuition was correct. 100%. Amazing! Another scenario. Unfortunately, Gregory got a better offer somewhere else, so he quit as well. There's nobody to replace him, but we must adjust our list accordingly. The del keyword could deliver the required result. Type del, then correctly index Gregory's position by typing participants 2. And voila! Important to note is that deleting an element changes the indices of all successive elements. After removing Gregory, Maria's position shifted one place to the left and is now at the second position. There is no element at the third position. In our next lesson, we'll learn what to do if we have to add a new person to our list. Thank you for watching.